Did you know that sloths have the slowest metabolism in the animal kingdom? Their incredibly unique digestive system is specifically adapted to their slow lifestyle. Sloths' stomachs are multi-chambered, similar to cows, allowing them to break down tough plant material efficiently. However, this process is exceedingly slow, so slow that it can take up to a month for a sloth to fully digest a single meal. This sluggish digestion is due to their low metabolic rate, which is essential for conserving energy, as sloths move very little and spend most of their time hanging upside down in trees. This energy conservation strategy is perfectly aligned with their environment and dietary needs.